Hey, welcome back to our channel, and today we have a first look of this shock drop unreleased pair, the Air Jordan 4 Yellow Thunders. Welcome back to our channel. Alright guys, here we are with our first unboxing for the channel. Hey out there, sneakerheads, are you copping, rocking, or dropping? Let me know in the comments.
Hey, yeah, let us know. Let us know in the comments.
I was fortunate enough to get this shock drop release in the gray school pair. And as you can see by the yellow Jumpman, the Air Jordan 4 Yellow Thunders. Now this is a GS pair. I was unable to hit on the men's pair on the shock drop, but I am able to bring you these today. Flight logo on the top, splatter paint on the box. This is a very nice box. So if you're a box lover, you're gonna love these, considering that this is GS pair. For those that don't know, normally the GS pair come in this plain box right here. Opening up the lid, we have that yellow Toro just pops out at you. Nothing fancy, it's a GR pair. We have the regular cement paper. Let's take a look at these shoes. So here we have the shoes. Now this originally came out in 2006. Today we get a first look at these pairs. This is the early pair for the Nike Sneakers app. Nubuck upper. The back with the Nike Jumpman in white. On the medial side, as you can see, the black netting. Again with that yellow protruding out, it really makes the shoe pop. Yellow hits throughout. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is a size 6.5. On the toe box, again we have the netting in yellow. Moving up to the shoe, you can see that Jumpman with the flight in white. On the back of the tongue, we do have that Air Jordan in the back. Now one difference that you can see here that 2006 pair has is this one is in black. The 2006 pair came in white. Again, as you can see, and we saw some of the pictures of the early reviews, they had that white stitching in there. I'm glad that Nike and Jordan brand took that out because in my humble opinion, it looks a lot better with the black stitching in it. Moving on to the outsole. As you see, the majority of the outsole is black with the hit of this pod right here in yellow that makes it pop. Again, we have the white Jumpman. Moving on to the toe box. Again, we have the black netting. On the tongue, we have the flight patch with the Jordan Man in white again. So these are expected to drop on May 13th, releasing in men's and GS sizing with the retail price of $210 for men's and $150 for GS pairs. This is a very nice shoe in my humble opinion. That concludes our video for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.